Attention, foodies, this resort is a gourmet go-to, with an array of great-looking and good-cooking restaurants. WYLD is the resort's signature restaurant, showcasing the rustic beauty and culinary bounty of the Rocky Mountain state. WYLD's rustic yet glamorous interior features gleaming local aspen wood, and its menu gather Colorado-sourced meats, freshwater fish, seasonal garden vegetables and wild-foraged herbs. Since opening in late 2016, WYLD has become known as one of the Vail Valley's most inviting and satisfying places to savor a leisurely meal with Colorado's best ingredients and hard-to-find global wines. Rustic-chic Buffaloes, with a bar framed by a massive stone wall, serves up bison, and spicy bison chili, prime beef, chicken and more, all from local farms. Vail Valley rivers and streams produce the delectably fresh pan-seared trout. Bachelor's Lounge is the resort's sophisticated indoor/outdoor lounge. It's popular from après-ski time into the wee hours. Here you'll find a deep selection of scotch, bourbon, and tequila, global wines, plus classic and creative cocktails mixed by expert bartenders. The food is upscale pub grub and bistro classics. Bachelor's Lounge features the Vail Valley's only cigar bar, featuring the world's most expensive cigar, $2,000. Patrons can also smoke a hookah bubbling with aromatic tobacco flavors and savor a vaportini. Anderson's Cabin, shown above, is a unique dining experience, was introduced in 2017 for private dining/events. It hosts private yet very social dining. Guests can book the entire cabin or reserve solo seat. Anderson's Cabin on select nights for a convivial communal meal. The historic cabin, over a century old, belonged to John Anderson, one of 7 Bachelor brothers who originally settled Bachelor's Gulch. Daniel's Bar serves all afternoon on an outdoor slopeside terrace nearly year-round. It's known for its custom-composed burgers and Colorado craft beers.